Hey everybody, this is Robert here, back with another video. This time I'm going to do a comparison between the US candy bars and the UK candy bars. And I mean, mostly what I mean is chocolate bars. I don't like to eat like gummy bears and stuff like that too much because it's mostly just sugar. But I've decided to do something a little different. I got a little inspiration from Good Mythical Morning when they did their little snack tournament in March. So I'm going to do this. A single elimination tournament. Starting with the 2 US chocolate bars and then 2 UK chocolate bars to see who is the champion. Let's start with the US candy bars. Also, I found this. I don't know if this is British. I guess it is British. Yeah, Leicester in the UK. And this is some Glacier Mint I'm going to try at the end. But right now, let's start. First is the two US candy bars, Kit Kat and York Peppermint Patty. So this is from, they're both Hershey brands. I'm going to do 2 Cadbury brands for the UK. So let's start with the big Kit Kat. This is what a Kit Kat looks like, right here. And this particular bar is king size. It looks tastes just like a wafer bar, similar to that one bar from Scotland. I forgot what you call it. Here's what a York Peppermint Patty is. I believe it's dark chocolate with some mint inside. So this one's mint. I like them both. These are very hard. Okay. I do like mint and dark chocolate, so I'm going to give this. I'm going to give this a 9.5, and I'll give this a 9.0. But they both taste really good. So, York Peppermint Patty wins. Here you go. There's the new winner. Now I'm going to taste test a couple of UK candy bars. I'm going to start with the Double Decker. If you watched any of my previous videos, I have done a taste test on the Double Decker bar, but not in a tournament style thing. So this is the first time it's in a tournament. So as you could probably see, it's kind of broken off and melted a little bit from the trip. Thanks, Amazon. It's okay. Alright, let's taste it. In fact, it's smoother than the Kit Kat. But let's try the crunchy bar. And as part of it's broken off. Now the crunchy bar has honeycomb in it. And the Double Decker has nougat. I'm going to give the Double Decker the 9.0 versus the Crunchy about 8.8. So the Double Decker bar moves on. Now we get the final. US versus UK. York Peppermint Patty. And the Double Decker. Who is the champion? That's a hard one. Because I love the York Peppermint Patty because of its mintiness and dark chocolate. But the Double Decker has some really good nougat. And something very crispy with Cadbury milk chocolate. All four of these chocolate bars are really good, by the way. While I do love the texture of the Kit Kat and the honeycomb of the Crunchy bar, I felt that I just felt that didn't really match up to the Double Decker and the York. So, decisions. Who will be the champion? All right. Well, I love the dark chocolate and the mint of the York. The nougat and the milk chocolate works really well here too. And now it goes back to the ingredients, of course. By the way, this York Peppermint Patty is gluten-free. I don't know if anyone cares about that, but you know, this is a hard decision. But I think I'm going to give the York what I gave it earlier, 9.5, and Double Decker 9.2, but it's a very close race. So that means the York Peppermint Patty is the winner. Now, here's the final. So, that's it for my video today. Saying that, so I want to try to do something a little different now that we determined the winner. So, of course, this was a really close race, and yes, I think, you know, English chocolate bars from England are amazing. I think they're very comparable to the U.S. Just for this little tournament, I chose the U.S. one of the U.S. chocolate bars. Okay, so I want to do a little scripture verse to end the video. It's called. This is from Psalm 119, 160, and I'm using the modern English version. So it says, "Thy word is true from the beginning, and every one of your righteous judgments endures forever." So this tells us how enduring the scripture is. It's enduring. God's judgment and love endures forever. So I hope you have a great day, and it's a little rainy and things like that, but I'm gonna try to do a couple other videos too. Probably either another comparison video or just a regular taste test. Be on the lookout for my guitar basics video. I may want to do a piano basics for guitar players as well. So, alright, have a great day. See you in my next video. Hey everyone, just forgot to do the one I was gonna do on this video, so I'm gonna try to edit this part in. So here is what I'm going to try, and also these hobnobs. So let's try these mints first. This is what one of these looks like. Looks like, and it definitely looks like ice, except flavored. Well, you can suck on them real quick and they'll be perfectly good. Sorry about that. They're not very minty though, as of yet. I'll probably have to break into it. Over time, I'm sure the mintiness will catch up. In the meantime, let's check out these hobnobs. Now, what's the difference between a hobnob and a digestive biscuit? You can comment down below the difference between the two.
This is a British hobnob from the same company as the digestive biscuits. Let's try taste it. Not much different. So this one, I'm gonna, for the Glacier Mint, here, out of 10. It's not as minty as I would have hoped for, but these I'll give about 8 out of 10. They're pretty good. All right, that's it for me today. See you soon. Bye.